Today's unboxing is this rather glamorous knife from Kuhn Rikon. I think it's pronounced, Swiss design. So it sort of comes packaged up like this, obviously for safety, so you can't cut yourself in the shop. Plastic handle. Doesn't feel very durable, the handle, but let's get it open and see how it is. Just an item number on the back. Great looking knife. Not too expensive either. Let's get it open. Hopefully I can get it open easily without damaging it. Let's try it this way. It does want to be well packaged for safety, obviously. So a bit of a bugger to get open, but hopefully that's going to be enough. Be careful when I do this. To wiggle it out, and there we go. So there's a little sheath in here as well, so we can take that out. So plastic material, discard that. Little sheath, so you can kind of keep it neatly in a drawer and safely. And look at this design. This is great. Little pink flamingos, it looks like. They're sort of quite a deep reddy pink. You can see the blade glimmering as well. Yeah, it feels sharpened. So it's also on the other side. So the logo is only on one side, but the sharpened edge is on both sides. Feels quite nice and light in the hand. Fairly well balanced. It's sort of, actually it's pretty well balanced, sort of in the middle somewhere. Nice little kitchen knife. Probably about 3 or 4 inches long. Looks great. Recommended buy. Also just noticed on the sheath there's a little embossed or stamped logo, which is quite nice, and it's quite deliberately angled, so when you put the knife in it sits very neatly. It lines up very neatly, so that's a nice little touch. That says quality to me. Great item.